Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Spearmint Oil Pulling Rinse from Whyte. So if you don't know what this is, we have it here open up on their website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a milk. So it is made with organic cold pressed coconut oil and therapeutic essential oils. And Whyte Oil Pulling Rinse, it supports gum health, removes toxins, and freshens breath. So basically it's a drink, or a rinse, that helps you with your hygiene for your oral health. So, as you can see, we have it here on their website, and I couldn't find any other information about this product on other pages and other websites since there isn't a lot of information about this yet. So, before buying this, I would advise you to go with caution before and doing some more research before actually buying this product, since there isn't a lot of information about it yet. However, I would advise you to just buy any other regular rinse before your teeth or for your oral health that is more trusted than this one. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.